Deep in the heart of Italy, where speed meets passion, the world's most iconic superbikes are born. This is Ducati, a brand that defines performance, precision, and Italian engineering excellence. Every Panigale begins as raw aluminum, engineered for strength, yet built for speed. Advanced CNC machines sculpt the heart of the beast, the Super Quadro engine. Each component is measured with micron-level precision.
Unlike mass-production bikes, Ducati engines are assembled with handcrafted perfection.
The legendary desmodromic valve system ensures unmatched high RPM performance. The lightweight frame is engineered for razor-sharp handling. The legendary desmodromic valve system ensures unmatched high RPM performance. The lightweight frame is engineered for razor-sharp handling. Then comes the signature Italian red, a color that symbolizes racing heritage. Carbon fiber components reduce weight while enhancing aerodynamics.
This is where power meets structure. The soul joins the skeleton.
Race-inspired suspension ensures total control at extreme speeds. Advanced electronics transform this machine into a smart superbike. Massive braking power ensures safety at 300 km/h. High-grip racing tires complete the performance package. Every Panigale undergoes strict quality checks before earning its badge. The engine roars to life on the dyno, pushing limits before it hits the road. Attention to detail defines every Ducati masterpiece. And finally, the Ducati Panigale stands ready to dominate the streets and the track.
Born in Italy, built for the world, this is the Ducati Panigale.
Once approved, each superbike is carefully prepared for its global journey. Every unit receives a unique export identity for worldwide tracking. From factory floors, the machines begin their journey toward international airports. High-security transport ensures these high-value superbikes travel safely. At the cargo terminal, shipments are prepared for overseas delivery. After landing, shipments pass through international customs and inspection. Specialized cargo aircraft carry these performance machines across continents. Within hours, Italian engineering is crossing oceans to reach global riders. Regional distribution centers prepare the bikes for dealership delivery.
All right, let's get this panel secured. On it, this side is set. Good. Top plank next. Looks solid. All right, securing the cover. Copy, coming to assist. Ready on this side. Push on 3. 1, 2, 3.
From factory precision to showroom perfection, the journey ends where the rider's dream begins.